Welcome to an in-depth look at artificial intelligence. We're exploring the core of AI, what it excels at, and where its limitations truly lie. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the world, but there's a big difference between capability and comprehension. Let's start with a compelling example. AI can analyze data and beat a world chess champion, demonstrating incredible strategic processing. But ask it to perform a simple task like tying a shoelace in the real world, and it struggles. Why is that? AI's power comes from its ability to process information on a scale and speed that is simply impossible for humans. We'll look at three key strengths. First, pattern recognition. AI excels at finding complex, non-obvious relationships within massive amounts of data, leading to breakthroughs in science and business. Next is speed and efficiency. AI performs calculations and tasks in milliseconds, automating repetitive work and drastically accelerating research and operations. Finally, scale. AI can ingest and manage datasets that would overwhelm any human team, allowing for large-scale analysis and global problem-solving. While powerful, AI has significant weaknesses, primarily in areas that require genuine human understanding and experience. AI lacks true contextual understanding. It struggles with ambiguity, common sense, and situations outside its defined training data. It processes words, but often misses the why behind them. AI cannot feel genuine emotion or empathy. While it can generate text or visuals that mimic emotion, it doesn't experience it, limiting its capacity for true human interaction. True creativity and originality remain a human domain. AI creates derivative works based on patterns it has learned. It cannot conceive of something truly new and original outside its learned framework. So what does this all mean for the future of AI and its integration into our lives? The core concept is that AI excels in defined domains like analysis and speed, but struggles significantly in human domains requiring context, emotion, and true creativity. It's a partner, not a replacement. Now for the challenge. Given its strengths and weaknesses, list one thing you believe AI will truly never be able to do. Share your thoughts in the comments.